energy and water are very necessary utilities that we use in our daily lives. Without energy, we could not function. Isa sa basic needs natin ang water. If I will connect them with the other operational areas, they have a distinct or significant impact in our economy, growth, and progress. So mahalagang pagtuunan yung mga biotechnology na ina-apply dito sa areas na to para mas ma-hasten natin yung paano sila ide-develop at paano payayabungin. Direct translation yung biotech, di ba? Ang research na to is trying to connect kung meron bang biotech doon sa energy and water industries. When you say research, there's a huge part in our hearts that is saying na worthwhile itong gawin para sa bansa natin, especially to our younger generations.